Hi, Dr. Bredesen. What supplements would you recommend for brain health?
There are so many supplements for brain health. So it's really going to depend on you. And that's why I think personalized approaches. So, for example, for people who have ongoing inflammation, I really like Resolvins, some pregnenolone if you're low in pregnenolone, some curcumin, which is a nice anti-inflammatory, and then some omega-3s as well. Those are very good ones. And then some people also like something like Pectisol, for example. But if you don't have inflammation, and again, this is where looking at your GFAP can be very helpful to know if you've got ongoing brain inflammation. But if this is not an issue, you may be low in vitamin D, in which case you want to take some vitamin D. Then you may be low in magnesium. Magnesium threonate may be very helpful to you. So these things are all can be very, very helpful. I happen to like a vascular triad is another really good one for many people, which is nattokinase, which reduces clotting in the vessels, and especially for people who are having COVID or have recently had COVID or who have long COVID. And then Arterosil HP, which is repairing the vessels, the endothelia in the vessels. And then something to dilate the vessels. People have used anything that increases your nitric oxide. I happen to like Super Beets, which is a chew, but some people don't like those. Some people like a Neo 40 or L-arginine. Some people like sildenafil. All these are different ways to boost up your nitric oxide. For anyone who's got vascular concerns, that can be very helpful. For people who actually have abnormal lipids, there are things like bergamot that can be very helpful. So the armamentarium is so large and growing week by week as people develop new approaches. And optimizing your immune system, another good one with appropriate amounts of zinc. Some people who have issues with chronic viral infections like to use AHCC, another good one. So there are so many ways, so many things we can do to optimize cognition and keep our cognition for our entire lives.